back with another video for the Slingshot. As you all remember, last video I went ahead and put in an order for a few items from slingmods.com, and today it just finally came in. If you hear a lot of whistling in the background, I have a heater. I'll show you all the heater later. It's a DeWalt 90,000 BTU heater that I just purchased. Keep the garage warm during the winter months as I work toward accomplishing the goals for the Slingshot. So I'm going ahead and opening the box right now. So give me a second. I'm gonna open the box here. Now I know that the battery that I ordered, the lithium battery that I ordered from SlingMods, is on back order. So I'm not expecting that in this package, unfortunately. So this was the electronic order that I went ahead and put in. So when I say electronic order, what I mean by that is the equipment to upgrade the electronics or the electrical in the car, the power in the car, so that I can go ahead and add lights and the sound system and all that good stuff as they come in. So the first thing that I got is the fuse block. So the fuse block came in. So, or how about this way? So the fuse block came in from SlingMods. So fuse block. The next thing in the package is the battery charger. So the lithium battery charger, the battery mender, the battery mender. So this came in. When the battery actually comes in, then I'll finally, be able to put it in and be able to keep the battery charged up with the mender. What else came in? Oh, this is the harness for the fuse block. So the harness for the fuse block came as well. And so, I really don't see a huge purpose of actually installing any of this stuff until the battery comes in. The ETA on the website of the battery is the end of January. So I'll go ahead and update you all when I get the battery. I'm hoping that something miraculous happens where I can get it sooner. But for now, we'll have to wait. Like I said, I don't see a big purpose of installing any of this stuff until the battery actually gets here. What I may do is submit another order for some more electrical upgrades. I'm thinking about the big three that I might need to go ahead and order. So I'll order the big three. I'll order the big three, and I might vlog that as well. But for now, this is what we have: the cables or the wiring, the ground, and then this is the cover for the cables when I run it over to the battery. And so, yep, that's what we have right now. Once again, it's the fuse block, right? The harness for the fuse block, as well as the battery mender. When I actually get the lithium-ion battery in and install it, I'll be able to plug it in, make sure the battery stays charged. So that's my video update for the day. I'll go ahead and give you all a little glimpse of the Slingshot. Once again, it's winter time here in Michigan, and so I might take it out today. It's actually not a bad day, but if I do take it out in the winter, I'll make sure to get some footage of that as well and post it right after this. Thank you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you all soon. Peace. Hey guys, get ready to take the Slingshot out in the winter time for a quick drive. It hasn't been started up. I did want to go ahead and put 2 or 3 miles on it, and if I could before the spring got around. And so I want to take you all along for the ride. I won't be able to film everything, but I'll film a few trips around the block here. I'm not going to leave the neighborhood. Just want to kind of warm it up, get it going, get it started. As you can see, it hasn't been started in a while, so it kind of started up a little bit rough. And so, yeah, I'm going to take it out for a quick second, quick spin around a couple blocks. We don't have the strictest helmet laws here in Michigan. It's not required, but it is the winter, and so helmets are. It will help the cause, if you know what I mean. So, all right, I'll see you all on the road. All right, guys.